can catch some monstrous fish.
Now you talking about just like trolling?
No, it's spider rigging.
Okay.
You'll have 4 rods out. All I put out is 4. That's all I can handle.
Right.
But they're like this, and you got like a 3/4 ounce sinker on it, about where your slip shot is there.
Yeah.
Then you got a crappie jig with a minnow.
Okay.
And what you do, you don't go no faster. You want the line stand straight down all the time, but you want to be constantly moving like this.
Gotcha.
And
so you just run the trolling motor and do that, or?
Yeah, what I do is I usually just put it on, take my remote.
Yeah, gotcha.
And set me a course. In other words, I want to get all the way down through here, around where he's at, back up that bank, and I just make me a course, and then just let the trolling motor go.
And how old are you again?
How old am I?
Yeah.
79.
79 years old, and you know more about these electronics than a lot of people do.
Shit, no.
I find that just amazing. I'm telling you. Shit. So as you can see right now, it's about to happen. Now, Jerry Altizer, I've known him for, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 years. Good dude. Been on Smith Mountain Lake for a long time. I got to talking to him about crappie fishing, and he kind of knows his gig. Now, he ain't promising anything today, just because it has been a little slow, but I caught 5 yesterday, and the day before I caught 1. I'm learning, but he's already got it down, all right? You just hook him through the mouth?
Yeah, I'm hooking right under the jaw, right there, and straight up to the top of the head. You got it now. On this right here, you just got to remember, it's not the way the trolling motor points. It's the way this right here is
right.
pointing.
So right now it's pointing.
Right now, this right here is almost directly under the boat.
Okay.
These right here are 30 feet out, which would probably be, those right here would probably be the
better group.
Well, they'd be the ones that probably be eating. But when they get up to it, don't just hold dead still. Basically, you don't feel nothing. You'll see the rod tip, you'll see it go. I mean, that's all it is.
Gotcha.
But they're aggravating motherfuckers. Sometimes they won't bite until you have to aggravate them until they do.
Do you bury it in the brush or just right above it? There's one coming to look at it, ain't it?
Yep.
You just fish it right above the brush, right?
I just put it down where I see them. If I have to go down in the brush a little bit, I will. Or
Do you think trolling motor noise spooks them any? Or?
Nah.
No.
Nothing else that gets them excited.
Got him?
Be a good one, though.
Oh, yeah. Decent. Yeah.
What they call
Sacalay. In Louisiana, that's what they call them.
Quarantine crappie.
Quarantine crappie. That's a couple bushels of crappie down there.
This right here is one of the simplest knots. And when you're tying a crappie jig,
yeah,
it's the knot that you want to use. All right.
Make sure I wasn't hung up.
Hey,
On the board.
on the board. Put him in a live well.
Sockeye.
Yeah, when you tie that knot, it's like this. You make a loop.
Mm-hmm.
Go through like that one time. Come back and go through one more time. That's it.
All right.
It's simple. I mean, easy, simple knot.
So it's just like a double.
30? Yeah.
Right.
It
Gotta be a basketball player.
it takes getting used to. Now just throw him in the bucket. You're gonna have tacos tonight.
Got him?
Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Big crab. Oh man, yeah, hot on him now. That's like a good one, huh? He gets if he's real big, we need the net. Yep.
Wow. Oh, a damn bluegill. He must have tapped it. Got him? Oh, yeah.
I had 15 like that yesterday.
Really? It's easy. I mean,
Yeah. There ain't no easy.
yeah.
Only thing easy is pulling crappie in. I never felt him hit. But I come out here and I spend oh, you catch me any way you
I'll
can.
catch, hey.
Yeah, man, you don't have to have them bites.
No,
Yeah.
shit. If I feel you, I'm going to jerk on that rod.
Get anyone close to you.
Yeah. I tell you, got it? Yeah. Yeah.
You know one of them quarantine crappies.
Uh-huh.
There it is, right in the middle. Looks like you got one on. That's a nice one.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man, that's definitely a good one. Huh? He gonna go back in the water here.
I know, I gotta get Sockeye.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Huh? That's good. That's a good 10 incher.
There we go.
Jet ski.
Uh-huh. Gooder?
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah,
Quarantine crappie.
Yeah, that was good stuff right there. We done caught, I don't know, probably 45 just to be on the safe side. My guy Jerry, I've been bugging the crap out of him, calling him, being like, hey, what's this? Just question after question. Finally get to come out with him and load the boxes, all right?
Now this is the little box.
Yeah, that's right. Where you gonna put them at?
We're gonna put them right on the wall.
Well, now wait a minute. How many's in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. Oh, Jerry, you told me you didn't catch any. You gonna pay? Oh. Put right in my mouth.
They fixing to go in my mouth too.
Now how many's in it? Do you know, Shannon?
We don't have enough. Probably more than we
49.
Are you serious? That is something else. Oh, great. Wonderful.
So, yeah, that concludes our trip today. And didn't even take my boat. We took his boat. And he had a 12-inch Garmin on the front of that, looking at those crappie in those trees. And here's the thing that gets me. Dude is 79 years old. 79. And he was talking about his graph, how he'll long line them, and he was explaining all that, and he'll make a route with his remote on his trolling motor. Blows my mind that he's 79 years old and knows that much about electronics when I've got buddies that are younger than me that don't even know how to airdrop a picture. You know, no offense, Andy. I got a whole sack right here of crappie fillets. He even filleted them up for me. Crappie fishing is fun, and you know, I've been a few times, but I haven't really got it dialed in, which I went by myself a couple days ago and I caught 1. And yesterday I went and I caught 5. Today I went, we caught 49 on the money that we kept. Not the ones we threw back. We probably caught 50 or 60. The limit in Virginia is 25 a man. So that's how that went down. Very grateful that Jerry took me out and showed me his deal, and he's like, it ain't no big secret there. And I told him, I asked him, I was like, man, do you mind if I bring my camera and kind of film some of this? And he's like, yeah. He's like, I don't care. I ain't got nothing to hide from anybody. Ain't no big secrets or nothing like that. So very grateful that he took the time out to show me a little something. I pulled the boat out for him and went up to the gate to where we put in, and he ran up to the boat. 70 line, I like him. Oh my God. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it, and if you didn't like it, go ahead and smash that like button as well, because you know, it's all about love here. Catch me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and until next time, what, Jenny? Till next time, what? We'll catch you about.
There you go. Ain't no good at all.
Yeah, it's because the camera was rolling.
Oh, that what it was?
Yeah.
Hey, that shows you the true life of it then.
Yeah, that's right. That's it.
You don't always hit it.
You don't.